Tignan nyo guys. Wow. Gusto nyo po magpa-hair salon? Ito house ko. May TV. Ito. Nagpo-phone. Ay, ano ba? Mag-aano na ako? Yeah. Sorry kasi napakatangkad ko ah. Okay. Hi po. Pa-hair salon nga po. Dito ka. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, we need to cut your hair. Okay. You're gonna some bracelets. Yeah. Thank you. Susuplayan ko pa ikaw, Manong. Ito.
Ano ba?
Okay na guys, so let's go back to sleep. It's almost night. Let's see, it's almost night. So it's night time. Let's sleep.